Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to the channel. I'm Rick, the backyard chef, and we are going to make an absolutely simple Thai lunch dish today. Really easy. We're going to use belly pork, yard-long green beans, bit of kaffir lime leaves, and a little bit of red chili paste. It is so simple. Now, if you don't have yard-long green beans, guys, you can always use those dwarf French beans, okay? And top and tail them and just cut them in half, because we're going to be using pieces about 2 inches long. Now this is a very simple, tasty dish. Let's crack on and show you how to make stir-fried belly pork and green beans in a red curry sauce. Let's do this. Okay guys, the first job then is to cut our pork into good bite-sized pieces. And then with our kaffir lime leaves, what we need to do is pull out the stem, so we end up with just the leaves. This is an easy way to actually peel the leaves. And then we just scrunch them up and throw them in the pan when we cook. Our green beans, just cut into 2-inch pieces. This is a very quick and simple recipe, as long as you have the red curry paste. Okay, gas on high, water in your wok, bring to the boil, and we need to blanch our beans for about 20 seconds only. Give them a good dousing in the water, blanch them, take them out and plunge them in some ice cold water. They will stay a vibrant green and it'll stop them from cooking. Okay then, on with our dish. A couple of tablespoons of oil in the wok. Heat it up to medium. Put our red curry paste in and cook out the rawness of the curry paste. Add our pork belly, stir it all in and start cooking it down. Now at any stage that you're cooking, I know this is a dry dish, but at any stage when you're cooking and you feel like it's going to be too dry, add a splash of water, keep everything loose in the pan. We don't want to burn anything. Now this is a fairly dry curry dish, but you know, let's not burn anything. Add 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, stir it all in, cook it down. Now if you're using a bulk curry paste, you might have to use 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Stir it all in, work it round, let's keep it all loose. And we want to turn it into a nice, dry-ish, thick, gloopy sauce. In with our kaffir lime leaves, give them a scrunch up before you throw them in. That'll release some of the oils as we actually stir fry it in the pan. And then in with our green beans, stir it all through, cook it for a couple of minutes, and that's basically it. That's our pork, green beans, red curry paste done. It is so simple. Just serve and enjoy. Now guys, don't forget, like and subscribe, and please share. And we'll catch you next time. There we are, guys. So simple, so easy. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.